Temple was not in a very stable area. We needed a bigger place. Then we came here. So this temple took about 12 years to build and get ready. And ultimately we had a 𝗕𝗵𝗃𝗵, they call it 𝗕𝗵𝗃𝗵. Basically that's the ultimate, the ceremony to accord it a temple status, and that's June 2012. The Hindus used to say, you don't live a கோயில் இல்லாத ஊரில் வாழக்கூடாது, ஆலயம் இல்லாத ஊரில் வாழக்கூடாது. Same, கோயில் and ஆலயம் is same thing. Basically means you don't live in a town where there's no temples. So temple is a source of knowledge and wisdom. Thaipusam itself, this year we celebrate 236th Thaipusam. 236, that tells you how old it was. The moment the veil comes from the mother, which is Mariamman, which is Sivan's consort, that's when Lord Murugan gets his strength, his ultimate strength. The mother is the one that gives the veil to pass on the strength to the son. So that's when Thaipusam begins. Temples for him are built on hills because when you walk up steps, you are making effort to see him. So even if there's transport, people like to walk up if you are able to. Hindus believe it's a way of showing that I am putting energy and effort, and I will put effort to come and see you. Core in Hinduism is the fact that it's open and it accepts changes and evolution over time. We want devotees bring their families, bring their children, come here. It basically costs nothing to pray in this temple. You can come here and don't spend a thing, send and go away. Have a blessed prayers. There's a lot of ample space. You can spend time here and go back, that's all.